Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. And obviously you can see that the phone in front of me is locked, so I can unlock it either using a pattern that was previously set or using the Google account. And assuming we don't know either of those, we're going to go back to the first page, change the language to any kind of other language that uses different keyboards, so you can scroll down and basically anything from down here up to, I believe somewhere like here will work. So choose whichever one you want. And from here, simply go again through the setup process. So once you get to this page, again, choose Google account, tap on a field, and for some reason, apparently Russian or whichever language this is didn't really work here. What we're looking for, instead of that emoji, you want to have a globe icon. So I'm gonna go back and select a different language. Let's go with Greek in this case. And there we go. So you can see there is the globe icon. So what you want to do is hold it, and from here go to language settings, which is this option below here. Then tap on add keyboard, which again is the blue button at the bottom that was visible here. And from here you want to select any kind of keyboard that doesn't have an arrow. As you can see, there are several with an arrow besides them. So select ones like these without the arrow, or this one. Doesn't really matter which one. Once you tap on it, tap on add button, which again is this blue one right over here. And once you do that, you can go back to the first page. Change back to your desired language, which for me it's going to be English. And let's progress through the setup once more. And again, once you tap on the language settings or the field right here, you want to go to the globe and language settings. Again, choose add keyboard, and this time around you want to choose one with an arrow. So let's scroll down, there's Albanian with an arrow, and once you tap on it, it will give you a couple different options, so it doesn't really matter. From here you will have 3 dots, so tap on it and go to help and feedback. And then in describe your issue, you want to tap on it, and as you see right now we have Greek keyboard, so let's hold the globe icon again and choose QWERTY, which is in the middle for me. And from here just type in O, and it will bring up use Morse code as suggested, so you want to tap on it. And here you'll see a video, so click on it, it will load it up and then give you a 3-dot option. And when you tap on it, you can now tap on watch later, which will open up web browser. From here, accept and continue, and no thanks. And then in the search bar right there, you want to navigate to HardReset.info website. And from here, once you're on it, you want to tap on the 3 bars, go to the download section, and then in the download search field, you're looking for Android 7.1.2. Like so. Search, and this should only bring up one option. As you can see, there's only one thing here. So you want to tap on the download button and then scroll down, you will see another download. This time around, instead of actually tapping on it, you're gonna hold it and then select open in incognito tab. Now we do it this way to prevent a problem that sometimes occur with the download reaching 100% and then never finishing the download for some reason, which in turn doesn't actually allow you to click on it and open it. Opening it up in incognito and downloading it through incognito mode solves that problem. So once you see this pop up, tap on download. Okay, And from here, you want to open it up once it's downloaded. And before we can actually install it, we need to go into the settings and then allow Chrome to install unknown sources. So just check this on and simply go back and tap on install. Let's continue. You can open it up. Cool. And once it's open, you can go back now to the web browser. And from here, again, tap on the search bar and type in HardReset.info /bypass. So you can still see it right here. So from here, you want to scroll down to settings. And from here, let's go to apps and notifications. And what you're looking for is tapping on the see all 41 apps, then show system, and scroll down to G. There we go. So once you're at the G point of letters, you're looking for Google Play services. There we go, Google Play services. Once you tap on it, you will see an option to simply disable it right up here. So tap on it, disable app, agree, go back, and then tap on the Google Play Store below that, and same thing, disable app, and we can go back. As you can see, both of them are now disabled right here and right here. So once they're both disabled, I'm going to go back further once more to the main settings page, and what you're looking for is scrolling down to account section right here, tapping on add account, and as you will see, there is a Google option. So let's tap on it. It will look all wonky because this option shouldn't even be visible on the phone when it's locked. So the first application that we have downloaded allows us to actually have this option in the account section. So from here, once it's open, you want to simply log in using any kind of Google account that you want. If you don't have one, you can always create it. Also, if you don't feel comfortable logging in with your private account, I can create one, just like a trash one, just for this. If you want to, it doesn't really matter. It is basically a full-fledged Google account right here. So I'm going to use my account for this. And from here, I'm going to put in the password and tap on next, which will log me into the Google account, as you can see. So from here, obviously I agree to conclude the login, and as you can see, we're now logged in. From here, you want to go back to the accounts or apps and notifications. What am I saying? So right here, and again, see all 41, show system, and we enable the two apps that we have disabled. So again, scroll all the way down to G, which I just passed it. There we go. There we go. Google Play Services and Play Store, both of them re-enable. So enable, go back, Play Store, enable, and go back. So once you enabled both of these, what you want to do now is simply hold power key and select restart. So this is the pin for the SIM card. Disregard it. If you don't even have a SIM card in your device, you probably won't see this screen. Okay, so let's unlock it, and as you can see, we're now back in the setup screen. So let's again go to the setup. And you will see this pop up a couple times. Probably already seen it popping up. It doesn't really matter that the app is crashing. It's the app that is crashing is the one that allowed us to add Google account, which it has done its purpose, and now it's not really needed, and it doesn't really matter. So just tap somewhere else where the pop-up isn't, and it will disappear. So let's continue with the setup, and again it popped up. So there we go. Now there is an important part right here. This is previously where we would have to either confirm the pattern or the Google account, and as you can see right now, it tells us that account was added and provides us with the info of the account that I have basically used to log in before the reboot of the device. So let's tap on next, and right now basically skip the verification. Now at this moment you want to skip basically everything that you can, because the device is still not unlocked. Even though we're about to get access to the home screen, the device still has the previous account that was blocking us somewhere in the memory. So what we want to do is finish up the setup, go into the settings and perform a factory reset through settings, which will in turn remove any kind of accounts that are on this device or were on this account, or on this phone I meant. So once you perform a factory reset, it removes all accounts from the phone and becomes fully unlocked at that point. So let's go to next. Again, disregard the pop-up, skip anyway. And there we go. So we're done with the setup. So from here, like I said, let's go into the settings, scroll all the way down to system, reset options, and erase all data, factory reset, erase all data, erase all data. And now the process will begin. Now on this device, the reset of the phone is fairly quick, so that is really nice. It takes about a minute or less. So this should be finished soon. And once it is, we are then gonna be back in the setup screen, at which point you can set up your device as however you like. It will be fully unlocked, so you can skip connecting to Wi-Fi if you want to, and basically skip everything that you want. Or if you want, not everything that you can. Okay, so again, there is the pin for the SIM card. And like I said, we're back in the setup screen. Now this time around, I'm gonna go to the setup as quick as possible, just so I can save on time and skip not very important stuff. But like I said, you can set it up as however you like. And there we go. As you can see, the device is now fully unlocked, and I didn't really need to do anything that I didn't want to. And that is how you would bypass the Google verification on this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.